Tuona nani? Our women keep the one. Maybe she can even go study and come back and pay. Tena so metunu ndakuwa na kai. Kemoko. I come from a very poor background. Minte kerembura ya utu kware korkulige isiko. Moko weta nyumba. Moko move ebintu paka bwa. Araimana history. E karanje the form 1, anje the kabarak. Ngakan school fees first time. Second time musuka kata konseli odukuru ngam Paul Grimpo. Kanda paka ofisiai. Ndi form 2. Kama ndaka ke. Kama tingo ke nanka. Akamboli why timbuati. I told him because Inka was equivalent to not having. So you can't chase me. Akamboli wana akitoka. Kama utebia Catholic ran. Muwakili ndi I think nona answer. Kama Catholic ran nza say fine. 3 things. Number 1, I will never be a disciplinary case. Tingo to a discipline school e kurubon pangala. Cool. Number 2, I will not go beyond number 3 in class. That was point number 2. Point number 3, I will come back and pay all the school fees. If you go to my file, I was registration number 996. In my file, that agreement is there. Tukalikirana. Akantige school ngasoma busa paka form 4. Tena kwa form 4 naeta kaenda the same school form 5 and 6. Ndaka nitingo endre nirudi na karteke. School fees ya ringel fumbir na gendo. Ekaran ko the form 6. School ngo ajari ngine company kurunga Mugoya construction. Kabate tingo na ngaonga ingo tiganganya ngende university. Nkali Mugoya construction une carpenter. Njiwa kenyunde ngaka. Bakante to kunyara kawe carpenter tigakwaleta machi wasi arene umba bandoli muko acha mumba. Wasi arene umbe smith. I stayed there for almost 3 months. Nkamaya kwa Nairobi nkamanya no muntu kitinganza osomie school. Yalingi mwindi kuruke di handa. Ekarango osomie school. Tolo osomie wakan 100 shillings per hour per period. Ono nje karaba ali wando te tuji kutara. Ngo te tiamo koni karas. Agriculture, English, literature, maths. Kene kiasi poro osoma. Ika ndongeri kani mongoli kaki koru. Scheme of something. Also, manera ne topic ne da waka mchumutuga. Nkaros US. I think I made about 30,000. My school fees was 19,760. Really, I tell the school. And then I wrote the school ndi kera marube nta what results. That's why I'm so particular. I'm so annoyed that you hold those things. Now, this is a good student. He got ABCD. We cannot give him because he owes. So I was working with a rep in the school. I wore a black trouser. I wore a white shirt. Nkaina. Ega alikuru Nairobi. Paka kabara. Mbeke tichu ya sumbu. Socks by the way. That was my proudest day. Karen Karazde, Base Kareta, if I had Karazde reception, Kabade, 19,760. That was the return. So, as a Kali, William Ruto, I want to what need to. And we are very serious intellectuals. Very serious. Even you will bear me witness, you know. But it is very annoying. Because these are the educated people who want to go bara. You know, my time of time, no matter time, I won't come back. You know? You are free. I can't forgive you. That's why I'm here, to challenge you, to work with us, work with this government. Let somebody come with a program better than what we have brought. Better than what we have brought. Let him tell you, is he going to give 10 billion for promotion? JSS, I'm fighting for you. Because I know that 70,000 is not enough. We are fighting to get that money. strikes emanating from CPAs, from those people who are in the office. I'm cleaning their rubbish. I was not there in 2017, was I? But the CPA was 2017, 2021. Ruto was not there in 2017 in Okolide country. But we have solved it. We have now solved it. We've agreed with your union. They have become my best friends because we want the same thing. Tell you, we want the best for you. We want you to be motivated. We want you to be promoted. In fact, the policy now is we need to promote people who have stagnated for longer. So we've asked for data. Tell us who has been promoted, when were they employed, how long have they been in D1, C1, whatever it is. Then we see. You know, Section 10, subsection 1B. Section 10, subsection 1 of the Kenya National Examination Council Act 2012. It says nobody is allowed to hold a certificate, a result slip belonging to a student. It is a criminal offense. Because you look for them back in the school fees. Tell you, both of you are suffering. The child is not in school and you are not in. Nambia amempatia sasa, so ile 30,000 ulikuwa unalipa umpatie, utoe pesa ya kununua vitu za kwenda shule. And get your education team to help her apply again the university. That is again the university and support with, because they are there. The facts are there. We are transitioning in, and they care again the word that the CPE telling general. They brought it 2012. But Professor Ngeri was the one who came with it, and all these ministers have been there. They didn't mbambanye tukoyera unravel p ekabasinya p paka toje tukoyera zoiro ngeti bona mwana ukwandike songo ali brief bako chakwenda grade 10 in 2029 baka ende university. They were not able to unravel it. Also wanongene linda walimu. We have retooled you. Are you not understanding it now? Yes. And once a teacher, always a teacher. Mungu ngakeni mutajote na hatuna walimu wa kutosha. 2019 karato twale COVID. Chinya abanya kitali ndo berete sukuru oso. Ngwa kuru COVID. Once a doctor, always a doctor. So you know you are intellectuals. Abana wangu babe. Lakini you ngobate na raton. Ngongonya na murabanda. Eno maitini wao jawabu. Come na kwemi na gari wata ngomati kumtie tututangana. Lakini is not correct. Can you tell them the correct thing? Are we together? Mbale kama njire kwa tutebeke. Eno maite not 100%. Ni maiteka morani basomi kurubono mpaka Tuesday. No change. Lakini ayopo na about 70%. Ini pass mark. Aba boro no about 90. Sasa